Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this look. I would say it's a bronze look. It's quite simple. I didn't use too many colors. If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching and I will see you when I finish. So I'm going to be using my Elamaska primer to prime my face quickly. It's the shimmer primer. Then I'll be using my MAC foundation, NC 44.5 and NC 47. I'm going to mix both of them together. I mix them because one is lighter and one is darker. So I'm going to use a brush already sprayed my own lighter on it just to wet it a bit and also to keep my foundation in place. I'm going to go with my Pro Concealer in Cool Tan under my eyes. I use two concealers, so I'll use this one first. Especially when I'm going for like a full glam, like today. I like to blend inside first before spreading it out. I use it to get closer to my nose to snatch my African nose. And then easy to take it down. I'm going to use NC47 to contour. I prefer using a foundation to contour than using concealers. Concealers are a bit too thick. I'm going to use this for my nose contouring. I'll still take the NC47. I'm taking it in close to my brows. The remaining one here, just use it on my jawline to snatch my face. I'm going to use the Revolution Concealer in 10.5 to highlight again. A beauty blender. When you highlight and contour at the same time, like they both blend together, so they're less likely to have like harsh lines. That's what I tend to do. And then I'm going to set my eyes using a Sacha butter powder, and then I'll mix it with the benign banana powder because one is too yellow and one is too light for my skin tone. So I'm just going to use this brush to go over it. Easy to go on my eyebrows a bit so that when I draw my eyebrows, the eye pencil will stick. I'm going to powder contour with this NYX contour palette. I'll be using this color here. So I'll be using this brush. This one is like closer to my shade, so I don't like doing harsh contouring. For my nose, I prefer using the MAC foundation. What's this color? NC55. Just go over where I contoured before, very lightly. So I'm going to do my eyebrows now. I'll be using my Benefits eyebrow setter. It's a clear gel, so I'll use it first to go over my brows. I use the Rimmel London Black Brown in the eyebrow pencil, so just going to use this. And then I do some strokes. And then this side. And then strokes. I'll use the brow setter again to go over it. I'm going to conceal the eyebrows now. I'll be using my Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. I'll be using this brush. Make sure you bring it down and try to blend it. Even if you use hand, like blend. So I'm going to put some concealer here. I'm using Cool Tan as well, just to have something to hold my eyeshadow. I'm using my hand to blend because it's quicker. I'm going to go over it with setting powder. I'm going to put some setting powder here to hold any fallouts. I'll be using this 25B Morphe palette. I'll be using this color first. I will use this color right here. To deepen it a bit, I will go with this color here. It's a bit darker. As you can see, I'm just going this area just to deepen it. I think I'll go with concealer. I want the color to actually pop because it's quite bronzy. So I don't know if I don't think it's a cut crease. I'm not doing a cut crease. This is not the right applicator, to be honest. So I'm going to go with this BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to use this color. I'll use this flat brush. I'm going to use this brush for a darker color. I will use this color right here from the Morphe palette. This is actually my go-to palette. I use it like every time. But I've been trying to use other palettes. I'm going to use it here. And then go over here a little bit. Just to blend it in together. I'm going to go in a little bit with this dark color. Don't know, it looks a bit charcoal. So a little bit. Tiny. I'm going to use this color for my from the Morphe palette for my tear dot. I'm going to use this Rimmel eyeliner. Just for where my eyelashes will go. So I went offline to do my false lashes. So now I'm going to finish up. I'm going to take a bit of setting powder and put here. This is a tricky one. If you don't do this right, like your nose will look disfigured. I'm not gonna lie. I just do it up to this point. I'm going to go over with this color to intensify the contour. I'm going to apply some color on my cheeks. I'll be using the Sleek palette in medium. So I'll be using it on my cheeks just to put some color. Just a little bit over my contour. It's almost like a bronzer blush kind of. Just add some color. Then I'll put it on the tip of my nose. Just for color. I'm going to dust off this highlight, not highlight or contouring. I'm going to highlight with the Master Chrome metallic highlighter by Maybelline. This one. I'll be using my fan brush. Just on my cheek. It's better to go like slowly than just add everything at once and then regret it. And then on the tip of my nose. Then over. I try not to go crazy on my nose because if not you look like a joker. Avoid doing like a straight line because it's going to show. So yeah, just do half and then tip of your nose. A bit here and then here. I'm going to put a bit of setting powder to define my cheekbone. I'll be adding a bit of blush. This blush is from, I don't know, like no name is written on it. It's the symbol B. So I'm just going to take a little bit. If you take too much, you will regret it. Like makeup is like just go slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Yeah, I just need a bit of color. I'm going to dust out this setting powder right here. I don't like seeing harsh line. I will go over my highlighter with another highlighter. So the first one I use is a bit golden. So this one is a bit lighter. So I'll be using this Elamasca highlighter. It's a bit clearer. A little bit here. I'll be using the this color from the Morphe palette below my waterline before I then line up my eyes. I'll be using the Essence Kajal eye pencil to line my waterline. I don't want it dark, so I'm just going to go light on it. The same mascara I used for the upper lashes, I'll use it for the bottom lashes. to line my lips, I'm going to use a brown lip liner. So I'll be going over it with a Rimmel lip liner in Cappuccino. So for my lips, I'll be using 3 different products. First, I'll use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. And then I'll go over it with the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. They're basically the same color, just that the other one is matte and this one is a butter gloss. So I'll be going over with the Kiko Milano lip gloss in 05. I'm done with my makeup. I'll go over with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So I'm going to let it dry. I'll do my hair offline and I'll come back to show you the finished look. Here is the final look. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment. I'll be so happy to read them and reply. So I'll see you in my next video with something more exciting.